Is eating the orange pith healthy? Welcome. Today, we're diving into a juicy topic, the health benefits of orange pith. You might be wondering, what is pith, and why should I care? Let's break it down. What is orange pith? Orange pith is the white, spongy layer found between the fruit and its peel. Many people tend to avoid it due to its bitter taste and unappealing texture. However, this often overlooked part of the orange contains valuable nutrients that can contribute to your health. Nutritional benefits. Although it's certainly not where all the nutrients are, pith can still offer some goodness. It contains fiber, which is essential for digestive health. By adding pith to your diet, you're increasing your fiber intake, promoting a healthy gut, and potentially preventing constipation. Moreover, orange pith is rich in bioflavonoids, natural compounds that have antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help protect our cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Why you should consider eating orange pith. Supports heart health. The fiber found in pith can help lower cholesterol levels. By keeping your cholesterol in check, you're contributing to better heart health. Boosts immune function. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content, which is crucial for immune health. Aids weight management. Adding pith to your diet can be a beneficial strategy if you're looking to manage your weight. How to incorporate orange pith into your diet. Now that you know the benefits, you might be wondering how to include orange pith in your meals. Here are some easy ideas. Smoothies. Toss the entire orange pith and all into your smoothies. You won't even notice the texture, and you'll get a nutritional boost. Salads. Add finely chopped pieces of orange, including the pith, to your salads. It'll give a refreshing taste with added nutrients. Zest it up. Use the zest of the orange peel and mix in some pith to flavor various dishes. It works beautifully in marinades or dressings. Potential drawbacks. While there are many benefits, it's good to keep in mind that some people may find the bitterness of the pith unpleasant. If you're not accustomed to it, start with small amounts to see how your palate reacts. Additionally, if you experience any digestive discomfort, it might be a signal to moderate your intake. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the orange pith may not be the star of the show, it certainly plays a supporting role in enhancing your health. With its fiber content, antioxidant properties, and heart health benefits, eating the pith can help you reap more out of every orange. So, next time you enjoy this citrus fruit, consider keeping the pith in your diet. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.